Hey Guru Nation, how's it going? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. I'm gonna do a short one because I got a longer one set up for a little bit later today. Somebody asked me a series of questions. I think it's good for a podcast, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. Also like, subscribe, comment, share. It really does help with the algorithm. I got asked a question today that it's something that I'm about to do again. I've done this in the past, but it's been a long time since I've done it again. And it's, what does a CRC do? What's the proper process for a CRC when they receive an investigational product at the site level? What is the appropriate things that CRC needs to do? It's actually fairly simple. Number one, you acknowledge that you received it. Number two, the shipment of IP usually comes with a temp stick, which you plug in to your computer as a USB, and it will tell you if there was any excursions during the transportation. So once you check everything's okay, you then do a physical inventory. So you do a physical IP accountability of every bottle or vial or whatever it is that they sent. You do a physical inventory, so you literally count the bottles and you count the numbers of the bottles and the numbers on the bottles, and make sure that everything's there, and it should match up with a sheet that you'll either get on the USB or on a physical paper, which will show you the IP inventory that you're supposed to receive. So it's like a checklist. Did you receive this bottle number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Did you receive number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Did you receive blah blah blah? It goes down the list. So hopefully everything was within temperature range, and hopefully everything was actually there that they did ship you. Once you do this, you log into the IWRS, Interactive Web Response System, or IRT, which honestly I don't know what IRT is. I just know that IRTs exist because my study uses an IRT. So I'm about to do this soon, and probably I'll document this while I'm doing it live on the vlog. So again, make sure you subscribe. You log in, you make sure that everything's there, and then you take it. This should all happen quickly. You don't take too much time doing this. You need to store the drug in the IP storage facility. So it's double locked, needs to be in a room that's double locked, and usually a cabinet, temperature controlled. And so you store it all there. You make sure it's secured, restricted to only the people who need to have access to it. And you put that paper or whatever the file is, you could do it electronically, in your investigator site file as the initial IP accountability and IP accountability acknowledgement receipt form, or IP receipt acknowledgement form. Then you start maintaining the temperature of that area. So if it's the cabinet where the drug is stored, start maintaining a temp log that day, or even better yet, like I have, use one of those temp sticks that continuously monitors the temperature, and start maintaining a log, and have the alert set up to where if there's ever a temperature excursion, you get notified. And each time a patient comes in and you assign a drug, make sure you put it on your IP accountability log that it was dispensed, how many, what day, and to whom. Also make sure that there was no temperature excursions before you administer that IP. And then when you get new shipments, same process. So hopefully this helps. Try to keep it under 5 minutes. Looks like it's 4. Thank you so much, Guru Nation. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.